In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Indian troops in their fresh act of state terrorism martyred 2 more Kashmiri youth in Pulwama district. The troops martyred the youth during a cordon and search operation in Rajpura area of the district. The fresh killings raised the number of martyred youth to 17 over the past 5 days in the territory. The troops also continued operations in as many as 7 districts of Kashmir Valley and Jammu region. India is deploying 15,000 additional troops in occupied Jammu and Kashmir in the garb of security for Amarnath Yatra in the last week of June. These troops are in addition to over 1.1 million forces personnel already deployed in the occupied territory. Indian paramilitary Central Reserve Police forceman committed suicide by hanging himself in his room in Humhuma area of Budgam district. This incident raised the number of such deaths among the Indian troops and police personnel to 554 in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir since January 2007. A woman teacher was shot dead by unknown attackers inside High School Gopalpura in Kulgam district. The teacher was identified as Rajni Kumar from the Samba district. Meanwhile, the Modi-led fascist Indian regime has intensified the bookings of Kashmiris under the Black Public Safety Act for championing the UN-acknowledged right to self-determination. IGP Kashmir Vijay Kumar, while confirming the systematic witch hunting, claimed that the strategy had succeeded in preventing youth from coming out to openly support the movement out of PSA fear. Indian authorities did not allow the mother and sister of Kashmiri-Hurriyet leader Mohammad Yasin Malik to meet him in New Delhi's Tihar jail. Yasin Malik has been shifted to an isolated cell in the jail after being sentenced to life imprisonment by an Indian kangaroo court in a sham trial. Senior APHC leader Naeem Ahmed Khan in his message from Tihar jail said the BJP-led racist regime is using the judiciary as a weapon against the Kashmiris to further its Hindutva agenda in the occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The life imprisonment to Mohammad Yasin Malik in a sham trial is one such example. On the other hand, dreaded Indian National Investigation Agency NIA Special Judge Ashwini Sharma rejected the bail application of an aged Kashmiri, Muhammad Sharif Shah, a resident of Islamabad district, on substantial grounds. Legal experts strongly criticized the NIA judge for depriving the aged Kashmiri man of the right to bail while terming it the murder of justice. Leaders and members of British, Kashmiri and Pakistani organizations including Tehreek-e-Kashmir UK, Pak Kashmir Global Supreme Council and Pakistan Students Federation London staged a protest demonstration outside the Indian High Commission in London to protest against the awarding of life imprisonment to prominent Kashmiri liberation leader Mohammad Yasin Malik by an Indian kangaroo court in a sham trial. The speakers on the occasion said that Jammu and Kashmir is an internationally recognized territory and India has no legitimacy to apply its draconian laws on Kashmiris.